3 plus 1 gives us 4. And 4 times 2 is going to be the next equation. So 4 times 2 gives us 8. And 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I will write here. So according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stands for addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing we need to solve is parentheses, right? So parentheses is priority number 1. So above everything else, we have to do parentheses first, and then after we do the parentheses, we are allowed to move to exponent, and exponent is priority number 2. And again, after we solve exponent, we are allowed to go to multiplication or division. It is priority number 3. At last, we have to solve addition or subtraction. It is priority number 4. So this is their priority, but here is where most people get wrong. They think multiplication comes before division. Therefore, multiplication should be solved first. But that is wrong. If you see how I wrote the PEMDAS rule, I just do M and D in one category, and they do found in the third priority, right? They both have equal priority. So for multiplication or division, we are going to solve left to right. We are going to solve the problem left to right, right? We don't prioritize one over another. They have equal priority. Meaning in this equation, we have to start, after we solve the parentheses, we have to start from 16, and we are going to solve the problem all the way down to the end. So that is the right sequence to do, and that is how we are going to arrive at the right consistent answer every single time. So here, of course, we have to do the parentheses first. So 3 plus 1 gives us 4. And the problem becomes 16 divided by 2 times 4. And now we have to do the division, because the division comes before the multiplication, and since they both have equal priority, we are going to do the equation left to right, and we are going to do the equation whichever comes first. In this case, division comes first, so we are going to do the division. So 16 divided by 2 gives us 8, and 8 times 4 is equal to 32. So the final answer to this question is 32.